We took the new IOD summer release and a bunch of stuff from the thrift store, things that people were throwing away, and we transformed it so that your home will look like you are an interior stylist.
All right, I am here and this beautiful piece is here. Oh my goodness, these are good. I need you to just cut the shelves and put them inside the drawer, and
there it is. I had to,
we're back in business.
Me and my team created over a dozen projects with the new IOD summer release.
Okay, I am hoping to find canisters in here.
This is exactly what I've been looking for.
In this video, I wanted to share with you how I find really affordable things or things that people might be throwing away and turn them into beautiful high-end decor to give as gifts or to have in your home. These fun wood bangles that are new on our website make beautiful jewelry with a little bit of paint and some of the new transfers. Carol upcycled a very tattered train case, and now it is a beautiful piece of storage. Rose took some of our new mini cutting boards that are only $6 and turned them into gorgeous home decor.
I am back at my favorite thrift store for high-end decor and clothing. Let's just see what we can find. 50% off yellow tags. No, nothing off the high end.
I found this beautiful handmade 1950s dress, but nothing for the new IOD. So it was on to the next thrift store.
A little shelf or some canisters in here. Also a lamp.
This is exactly what I've been looking for. It's a canister set, 3 of them, totally weathered out.
Before I went shopping, I took a really good look at the new IOD. Then I searched on Pinterest for handmade projects with a swan or teacup theme. This really helped me find what I was looking for.
I am using Farm Fresh on my thrifted canisters. This color comes in our awesome sampler box.
This set of 3 was only $8.
I am super excited to use this new transfer. It is called, oh gosh, why are the names always so difficult? The Belagravia. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but before I can put them on these canisters, I have to seal.
Before you rub on transfers, be sure to seal your paint. Do not use wax and let your sealer dry for a couple of hours. If you don't do this, the paint could rub off onto the back of the transfer.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
I just finished my workout, so you know what that means. Free furniture pile. Not much except for that buffet or chest on wheels looks pretty cute. Let's look. You can see that it's missing a big chunk here. Beautiful. Looks old wood. It needs a lot of love. I don't need it. It won't fit in my car. There's like slats on the side. Could be a beautiful piece. You could put IOD molding right across here. It's on wheels too, but I'm gonna walk away. Okay, my dad just signed all the fish and we are ready to pack them up. Everybody wanted you to sign the back of their fish for them. Isn't that nice?
yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, they all love you. We just got in these really fun wood bangles, so I'm gonna paint them up with kissing booth. I'm gonna mix it with some of the tarnished pearl and the electrified, and I'm gonna make some fun bracelets with the new transfer.
she was a good companion, eyes like the Grand Canyon. She was an American beauty. She was a long goodbye. She was the best I lived by. She was an American beauty. With her wafers on in the summer sun, her touch felt like a loaded gun. Wish I had held her longer. Wish I had held her long. A gorgeous vagabond, she was sweet but she was strong. She was an American beauty. She was deja vu. She was a catch-22. She was an American beauty. Her blue eyes shine in the summer sun. Her kiss felt like a loaded gun. Wish I had held her longer. Wish I had held her longer.
Inlays are different than transfers. You press the sheets into wet paint, then you dab it with a paper towel, let that dry, and pull it back. We have other videos with more details on how to do this. The link is below. I am dusting my mold with cornstarch before pressing in the paper clay. It's important to immediately take out the mold before it dries and glue it down onto your surface so that you get really good flat adhesion. I like Aleene's tacky glue. We now sell that on our website. I'm also using painter's tape to make sure that the mold doesn't slide while it's drying.
Eyes like the Grand Canyon. She was an American beauty.
I applied dark and decrepit sealer to the swan, let that dry, and then I dry brushed white swan over the top. I did the same process for the rest of the vase.
Our new sampler box contains this cute little 2-ounce jar of clear wax. So I'm going to use that to finish my vase.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be in your life, the weight on your shoulders.
All right, I am here and this beautiful piece is here. It's hard to see because of the sun's glare. Last time I just took the drawers and you guys just got so upset, but look, some of the drawers are already missing. So don't come for me. I might take it. It's actually a door that's missing. Look at this beautiful hardware and trim. Oh my goodness, these are good. I am probably going to take a couple. I found these drawers in the free furniture pile. I need you to just cut the shelves and put them inside the drawer, and then I have a project that I'm going to do with it. So can you do that?
Well, I certainly will try.
And Dad, did you know that all your fish sold?
Oh,
You want to say thank you to everybody
well, thank you
for supporting our family business?
for supporting our family business.
And you signed the back of them too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should have charged an extra $5. That is exactly what I was hoping for. Nice, Dad. Good job.
I'm just checking before I nail them.
Thank you. Hey, Dad, what did you do today? You want to talk about what you did?
Well, here it is. I had to install shelves
Yeah, you took the drawers.
and hangers on the back.
Yeah. How many did you make?
4 these.
I'm going to keep one for the store and we'll sell the other 3. Good job, Dad. I love them. You did such a great job.
So we're back. Back in business.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a good carpenter. Thank you.
This is the new book mold. It's the bookends. And then we have a gilded mold that's all about book plates. And I have an idea for this box and we'll just see if it works. I have never tried to paint on cardboard before. This box is also super slick, but White Swan is heavily pigmented and it looks like it is working. The big question is, will the transfer adhere to this painted cardboard box? Let's just find out.
I am amazed that you could take a simple box from your pantry and turn it into a beautiful gift bag. The Gilded Transfer says beauty in common things, which is so appropriate. I am just gluing on ribbon to the inside edge of the box, and then you can add tissue paper and a beautiful gift. You could even put some IOD goodies inside.
I remember the first time we met, face to face. Kiss on my neck, how could I forget something that hasn't happened yet? I'm wasting my time, losing my mind over all this wasted time. I know I'm impatient, but baby, give me a chance. I'll do whatever you say. I can't afford to cry any more tears. You turn into all my fears. I want you here with me. I want you here with
UPS just delivered something I have been waiting for 3 months. I had to order these a long time ago or they would never get in time for the 4th of July and our 250th celebration. Look how cute these are. They sell out every year. Yeah. They're hoodie, they're lightweight, perfect for the beach. They come in 2 colors. I'll have Ellie paste up the picture. This cute little hand-blocked print dress. I think it's all cotton. Super, super cute. And this gorgeous skirt. I love this skirt. I've been waiting for it to come in. It is a hand-blocked print as well. So we are going to get these listed, and they are so cute. I think they go perfect with the new IOD. What do you think? Which transfer do they remind you of? All right, my dad finished putting the shelves in the old drawer, so now I am going to paint it with White Swan and probably use Farm Fresh from our sampler box, and then I can finish my idea.
I wanted to create a little shelf that you could put in your kitchen where you could have teacups, candles, and salt and pepper shakers, or whatever you like. I love this transfer. I used it for the 3 canisters and the shelf, and I still have so many pages left. It's an 8-page transfer. I think I could get at least 2 or 3 more projects out of it. It is definitely my favorite of the summer collection. And my dad took the rest of the free drawers and turned them into shelves. They are listed on our website, so you could make something like this as well.
You guys, this IOD summer release is definitely my favorite. You can head over to our website, DIYagogo.com, and go under new IOD release. The links to this is also in the description below, but we are still running our promo. If you spend $100 or more on our website, which you definitely will because you're going to want all of these things from the new release, we are giving you a free pack of IOD clay. So if you grab a mold, then that is perfect. We are only running this promo till Sunday at midnight, so you only have a couple days. So make sure to go check out the new summer release from IOD, and any other items that you saw in this video that you would like, they are all on our website. Let's get back to the video.
This is Primrose Isle, and I'm gonna finish up this tiered tray that Rose and Jenny started. See how we go.
Rose is using the new Nature's etching stamp and a pad of watercolor paper that we sell on our website to create a beautiful mobile. You just stamp the images onto the paper and loosely cut around them. Stamping on paper is a great way to get started with stamps because if you mess up, you can cut out those smudge marks and you don't have to paint over it. It's just a fun entryway to get started. Do you have scrap wood lying around in your garage? This project is so simple and so easy. It makes such a beautiful gift. Grab a piece of scrap wood and coat it with our dark and decrepit stain. Let that dry and then paint over it, leaving the edges exposed with white swan. Add a sealer over the top of the paint and let that dry. I am using the new Fern and Fables transfer. This one is so darling. All you need to do next is drill some holes, add some rope, and you have a beautiful gift or home decor.
And I'm going to use the DIY Eden.
Carol is making over the $10 mirror that I got from the thrift store in last week's video. She applied Eden to the frame and just a couple of pieces from the transfer. When you are applying transfers to glass or a mirror, you do not want to seal it or you will change the look of your surface and make it cloudy. So if you go to clean your mirror, spray your cleaner on a soft rag and gently clean around the transfer. To find all the products used in this video, to find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store, click the link below. And let me know in the comments which project was your favorite. Stay tuned till the very end. I have a fun clip of my niece Emma picking out her wedding dress.
This is so exciting! We're here! Emma, how do you feel right now? Describe the moment.
I don't know how to describe the moment.
Describe it so you can look back on it on your 20th anniversary and tell Kelly how you feel.
I'm so excited. I can't explain it.
We took the new IOD spring release. No, it's the summer release. We took the